Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are going to learn MS Word, Microsoft Word, and this is the screen you will see whenever you will open MS Word. And today we are going to learn in detail of the features of MS Word 2016. So let's start from the home tab. What is a tab? These all are tabs, okay? And here your options will also come. And this is a ribbon. These are tab options and these are tabs, okay? We have a lot of tabs and we will learn it in different lectures. This is our lecture number 1. So let's start. You can see a word, a topic written here. Okay, if you want me to change its format or style, so I can simply select it by double clicking the mouse left button, and then clicking the format button, then selecting this, and this will be in a new style. Okay, now if I want to cut cut it from the paragraph and cut and copy, then what will I do? I can also do it with right clicking the mouse button, and there is another option that I will also tell you. Okay, after if you select it and then click copy or cut and then uh, paste it on, then paste it, then click the paste button in the clipboard. Okay, then after it you can also change the font style, font, new font. You can add new font of your text like this, like just wait a second. Okay, so this is a style, new Roman style. Okay, and if I want to change its style, what is this? This is Arial style of font. After that, this is a handwriting style, Comic Sans, MS, and there are, you can see a lot of styles of the font like this, like this. Okay, and after that we have the size of font. You know that you cannot see this easily, so we can make it a bit larger, or we can increase the size of font so that we can see it clearly. Okay, you can also increase the size from this option, and by clicking this you can decrease size. After that, this is a bold option. To bold your text, you simply click this. To make your style italic, you can easily click this. To make it to underline it, you have to click the underline option. Okay, after that, this option is to cut the or to for checking any answer. You can click this too, make it to to, you can mark it as um mistake. Okay, so let's see, this is also this is making the text 2 times smaller, and this is making the text 2 times bigger or smaller again. um okay, now this is an option to you know text effect and typography, and like by clicking it you can add different options of this, and you have different effects of this. By adding a selection you can see the text effect. After that, to highlight a text, you can simply click this option, text highlighter. After that we can see a small a and change the case option. You can do this for lowering the case, uppercase, lowercase, sentence case, to easily edit your paragraph, capitalize each word, activate the case, so sentence case is best. After that, you can also make the text colorful. Then, like this is a clear or all format. Then it will be like again in the way, in the form that you have been doing previously. Okay, and so this is all clipboard and font options. And inshallah, we will do the um, next topics like paragraph style of home tab in the next video, lecture number 2. Thank you for watching my video. Keep watching it, subscribe it, like it, and also share it. Thank you so much.